Mwana tube wakanga tubaba biheza. Ndi mubi? Ndi muki?
Oli mubuli.
Kiriwa kirungi kikwateko. Kiriwa kirungi ku face yange. Era Ennyindo. My lords.
This one.
My baby, my whole face is beautiful.
Yes.
This one is beautiful.
Yes.
But you first said the nose.
No.
You said my nose. My nose is not beautiful.
Beautiful. No.
It's not.
Yes.
No, it's not beautiful.
Yes.
What is that now?
It's beautiful.
It is what?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. When English is too much, my brother cannot speak English. My brother, you cannot speak English now. You cannot say it in the right way, like beautiful. You're saying beautiful. Which class are you in?
Victor.
Victor, Victor kati is it top baby? Is it top class, baby class? What is that?
Baby class.
Baby class?
Yes.
How old are you gonna be? How old are you?
4.
No, you can't be 4 years and you be in baby class. That is top,
3.
obviously. You're 3.
Yes.
You're going to make 4. So guys, when we are home, it's a hola. Forgive my kids asleep weeds.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank God they have some nose. At least we fight with the air.
Yes.
I breathe like
Zenina Ennyindo Mama Kalalo. Yasinga Ennyindo kange kali wekati Heather. Wekati. Olowooza mwali nsanze wabwe singa akyayogera Oluganda. Ekinjogeza Oluganda Ennyindo. Buladde basebo buladde. Why are you laughing at me? You also have a nose. My brother, you have a nose as well. Akakoze. Kakole nnyo. Beautiful noses. And I'm living a generation of noses. What are you going to do? Akole mama. Do you know how beautiful it is? To live your generation of noses, and all the kids are gonna have it, and their kids and their grannies. Bro, Uganda, Buganda, Buladde.